Hello YouTube. So in today's video I wanted to talk to you guys about plays that I took and how they went along. Now I was only in one play, which was, as I said in my last video, was Mara, and you can clearly see it definitely sold off. I wish I did I did held it a little bit longer, but I kind of scalped it because I had a feeling that this was going to happen. You see these wicks right here? So, um, this right here is a fair value gap, which when you're coming down in a bullish fair value gap and it's closed, it tend to reverse back up. But I did sell mines a little bit earlier because honestly, I wasn't expecting it to rip through this one. But this fair value gap right here is where I sold it. But as you can clearly see, it went down a lot more. And so that was a win. That was a W. On to the next. So I'm still not over with Mara yet because if it decides to push even higher, then I definitely will get back in again to ride it down. Let's just see what it decides to do. So let's go over some plays that I had my eyes on, right? So this is Tyson the chicken. This is chicken, right? Now, unfortunately, I did not take this play because why didn't I take this play? I don't know. I guess because the RSI on the 4 hour wasn't oversold, and usually I like to enter into plays when the RSI is oversold. That would give me a little bit more confidence in the trade. Not that I need it, but it's not bad to have when I know the RSI is oversold, so I know the odds of it going down is, the odds of it reversing back up is more in my favor than anything else. So I didn't take the trade, but I just took a little bit of, paper trade just to see. And as you can clearly see, it was a win. Man, my strategy is really hard to lose. Like, it really is. CCL, let me just look at this real fast. Man, this is the most bullish thing I've ever seen in my life. All right, so let's go over the plays I got my eyes on right now. Like, right now. Was it Johnson Johnson? No, it wasn't Johnson Johnson. Johnson Johnson is actually, yeah. It is a play I got my eyes on. I was going to take a call option, but also it was the same criteria as that last play. The RSI was not oversold, which tells me that we can go lower. Not to say that we won't bounce, but we can go lower. And also, it did not fill the gap completely. I kind of like it when it fills the gaps completely. But honestly, the RSI is just not oversold enough for me to take the trade. So, I did not enter into a trade, right? So let's talk about the plays I'm going to watch tomorrow. So tomorrow, this one looks so good. It looks so good. Like, man, ZM, you're able to make me some money tomorrow. All right, you're supposed to make me some money tomorrow. So let's go over ZM. As you can clearly see, the 4 hour is what? It is burning up. And I love when RSI burn up, man. I get excited. So tomorrow at 772.88. Ooh, I am buying puts without a doubt. Without a doubt. Without a doubt. I'm buying a put. Okay? So I'm just waiting for tomorrow to happen. And I really hope they decide to push the market higher, man. I would really appreciate it if they did that. I would. I'll probably write it down to somewhere right here because this is strong support. So I'm looking to writing it down to from here to somewhere here down to here. Somewhere right here I want to write it down to. But I do know the moment that we touch it, it could bounce. But the RSI is hot enough, so I do believe we could come down there or even lower. But definitely I would not go lower than right here at 69.78, because then let me check the 1 day. Yeah, that's double support on the 4 hour and such and such. And if we go lower, I would definitely look to go long right here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'll definitely look to go long down here at 69.09. And then if it goes against me, then I will add even more right here because this is a really strong support. So that's what I have in my mind tomorrow. That's the only thing that I see that's looking good. Um, the next one, this one I doubt it's gonna happen tomorrow because it's gonna take a long time to happen. But I'm looking to buy a call option. Actually, usually I will wait for the gap to fill, but I'm gonna enter into this one or double. I'm gonna enter into right here, and the other one right down at the bottom, or actually right here. And then the third contract, if anything goes wrong, I'll go right here. And I'll keep in mind that earning is coming up. So definitely really like this one as well. Let's just wait and see what happens. I also had my eyes on AI, but for some reason that thing don't want to fall. It does not want to fall. So I'm waiting for it to close the 4 hour fair value gap and also tap into this one. But right now, AI could take off at any moment. I just hope that it doesn't. I'm just being honest. I'm just being honest. I kind of hope that it doesn't just yet. Just come down where I want you so I can buy you. Okay? On my list now, NIO. NIO's gonna take a while as well. NIO's gonna take a minute, but yeah, NIO's gonna take a while. So I'll talk about that probably the next 3 days and just wait. That's the thing about my strategy. I get to wait. I get to sit back, relax, and I wait for the stocks to come to me. And especially seeing that the RSI is already burnt up, it might bounce anytime soon. He has a lot of support all over the place. So let's see what happens. I had AMT on my list as well. I made a couple of videos on where I'm gonna buy, but let's just see. It doesn't want to come down. It doesn't want to come down. It created some support up here, so I don't mind waiting. And I think someone was talking about Roblox, but I don't. I don't like it. It's too messy. You got sellers and you got buyers. I don't like that. That's messy. But yeah, just to keep it simple. Oh, also, uh, Clean Spark is gonna go down. It's gonna go down soon. I got my trigger right here. I know I got a lot of plays, but they just look so good. This one is okay. It's not my A plus setup favorite one. Um, it is great. You got the gap, you got selling, but yeah, the RSI that's hot. Yeah, it does look good. It actually, Clean Spark looks better than Mara because the RSI on that thing is burning. Like, whoo, that thing hot. And it's 1 week fair value gap. Yeah, it looks good. It looks really good. So I'll keep that in mind too. But there's just no. I just was waiting all day, but nothing did what I wanted to do. Johnson and Johnson was very tempted. I was very tempted to buy a swing a call option in this right here. If I was day trading it would have been easy. Like, come on, like this is super easy to day trade. Um, in the future, I'm gonna do day trading soon again. I'll do most of the swing trade because honestly, day trading is so easy. It is so easy. It is. I mean, I'll be honest with you guys. Trading is actually pretty easy. Like once you learn how the market move, I'm just being straight up with you. I can predict so many things so easily. It's like look at this. Look at this. So look at this bounce. Like look at it. Look, it bounced in the zone. It's super easy. I could have bought it when it come down into it and just buy it again and buy it again and would have won. Easy. It was really easy. Um, it's just yeah. Let me not ramble on. So I'll see you guys in my next one later.